Hey guys, we're going to open another Kinder Surprise again. So exciting for another Kinder's eggs. So see who we got. I hope we can get Hello Kitties. This is our last one. I'm going to open. So see if you want to open some and guess who it is. See if it is a Disney one. That was beautiful, just beautiful. Yay, we got Hello Kitty! Sticker. All done. Thank you guys for watching us, and don't forget to subscribe again.